We just made 80% of the Korean mat. Alright, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm eating Korean style Chinese food. And this is called jampong, which is a spicy seafood noodle. In the middle is called jjajangmyeon, which is the black noodle. Not the chapagetti that I've always eat. This is a little more premium than that one. And here, 탕수육, which is a sweet and sour pork. Here's some side dishes. This is called 단무지, reddish. And here's some onion, and I got here, you can't see it, but here's a black sauce. Just FYI, I've been so busy and wasn't able to create the final result for my 1 meal a day and also vegetarian diet, but I'll go ahead and create that video soon. Today, I'm actually starting my new diet plan, which I'm gonna call it Eat One Day, Fast One Day. Meaning that I'm gonna eat for 1 day, and also the next day I'm gonna fast for 1 day. Besides drinking, I'm not gonna eat anything. So it'll be eating for 1 day, fasting for 1 day. I've always wanted to do it, and I thought it was a good time to do it anyway. So we'll see how much weight I can lose. Spoiler alert, I did lose weight by doing a vegetarian diet, so stay tuned for that video. And with that being said, let's eat. I've been craving for jampong today. Oh, this is gonna be good. I typically don't like to eat jjajangmyeon because the end taste is not my type, but we'll see. Oh, jampong. Super delicious. Oh. Oh, you got some shrimps. All right, let's try this black noodle and see if I like it or not. Little sweeter. It's good. I mean, it's all right, but I just don't like jjajangmyeon in general. So, 단무지. Oh, and I love their 탕수육. Sweet and sour pork. I'm gonna use double chopstick. It's just better that way. Oh yeah. The 탕수육 is more crunchy, but it's not. Let me just show it to you. It's a little soggier than I want it, but still good. Oh yeah. And for the onion, you just dip it into the black sauce here and then eat it. Mm. They got squid here. I don't know what this calls, but... And carrots. And onion, that's it, I believe. There's two types of people. The first type of person is called the dipper. So they hate pouring the sauce into the fried pork, right? So what they do is just dip and eat, right? But to make those people mad, let's just say, right? All you have to do is pour. That's it. We just made 80% of the Korean mat because I just poured the sauce in here. I just poured it because it's just easier for me to eat. That's all, but I usually like to dip. Switch. This jjajangmyeon is actually pretty good. I'm impressed with this one. Again, another great meal today. Thank you so much for watching my video. And if you haven't yet, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on my next video. Peace.